Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Diab. I'm an interior architect and you are watching Decor Time. And this channel is all about interior design and home decor, to give you tips and tricks to help you if you decorate or remodeling your space. Well, today's video is gonna be one of the Shop With Me to Decorate Your Home series. And today's store is IKEA, and this video is part 2 of IKEA Kitchen Design 2023. And if you are interested, I'm gonna leave the part 1 video in the description box, and it's gonna show at the top right corner of the screen. So if you remember, in part 1 there was many setups and vignettes under constructions for the kitchens, and I promised you guys I'm gonna go and do another video after they reveal it. And today we are doing this video today. Actually they have a very new and trendy kitchen design. They applied like most of 2023 kitchen designs trends on this setup. And if you didn't watch the kitchen design trends for 23 yet, I'm gonna leave the video in the description box and also in the card, which is gonna show on the right top corner on the screen. Well, as you see in this kitchen design, they used many trends like the coffee corner, the ledge, the two tones for wall and backsplash. You're gonna find also in some other designs they used the open pot shelves. So you're gonna see many trends that they applied in many different designs. I'm gonna leave you to enjoy the tour with the music, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment below, and I'm gonna do my best to answer all your questions. So before I leave, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be updated every time I upload new videos. Especially, we still have many videos for IKEA in the channel coming up. So I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye bye.